Signal Talks! Episode 3, guys!
Welcome to our episode 3 of Signal Talks. You're with Akshara, Suresh and...
Nihesh Paul!
Yes, today we have a very exciting episode for you and we have a very special guest.
Yes, a very, very special guest. Stay tuned and you're gonna have a lot of fun this time. See you on the other side. Bye!
Signal Talk. Oh, गाड़ी में बातें non-stop flow. Oh, adopt जिंदगी का show. गाड़ी में बातें non-stop flow. Signal Talk. Signal Talk. जिंदगी का शो.
Hey, we are stuck in our first signal and compared to last episode where I had worn green and I got only green signal, today I wore red.
Yeah, and we got our first signal. But where are we going, Akshara?
We are going to pick up our guest.
Oh,
Yes.
and our guest is somewhere is waiting near Cubbon Park.
Yeah.
And close to the is waiting in the dog park. So that is a little clue for you. So stay tuned, okay?
Stay tuned.
It's going to be an amazing episode. We worked really hard to get you this guest, and the journey that this guest has gone through in life, and the impact that this is going to have in the long run. You will be if you're watching this and you end up doing something incredible for your own life and for the a being's life. I'm giving away too much attack. So yeah. Okay, we got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Timing was right.
Yeah. See you in the next segment. Akshara,
Yes.
that guy jumped. No. What do you think he was celebrating about?
He was very excited because he was looking at all the photo art that was happening in front of Vidhan Sauda. Like,
I think he was very excited about watching the next episode of Signal Talks, episode 3.
alright, so I wanted to point out something everyone has been asking me, not on the comments, personally. Please ask me questions on the comments. We would like that.
Yes.
Okay, signal. We're stuck in another signal. Okay, guys. So what I wanted to tell you was we have a Gali competition happening in Signal Talks. So comment your most innovative Gali. So we were talking about what was the Gali I used to abuse one guy, but he heard it and he tried chasing me. Or did you want to know what that is?
Yeah, but it was the gali was the most frequent gali that you used was the thing, right? They were asking.
No, that was the first time I ever used that Gali.
Oh, first time you ever used that
used
gali.
that Gali for the first time, not the frequent one. Frequent one is MCBC, that just comes out like that.
That one. Okay, yeah, but we should have one frequent one also.
The
One.
frequent one is
You should.
MCBC seat standard.
Hmm.
It is a standard for everybody. Okay, so this Gali was Behan ke laude. It doesn't make sense. I know. See, it's technically not a gali because
It's a confusion. It's a confusion. Behan ke.
I am being pro LGBTQ plus.
My goodness, that is brilliant actually. You guys like Behan ke laude as the
BKL.
BKL.
Oh, it's like ulta of LBK.
What is LBK? Oh, okay.
No, LKB.
LK. Guys, we need to get that acronym sorted for
LKB.
Yeah, correct.
So BKL. You have to
Correct.
write
We
it
can.
down.
We have to go write this down. We'll put it in the screen. Okay. Okay. Next signal. There we go.
Oh, we are
Yeah,
a signal.
okay,
Okay. See you
bye.
guys in the next signal.
We've reached our first destination. We're going to pick up our guest.
Yes, and we are going to record their reaction as well. This is actually a little bit of a surprise.
Yeah.
We know we are coming. They don't know we came so early.
Yeah.
Sunday, no traffic.
Okay, bye. Akshara, what are we doing?
We are doing amazing things.
What is this amazing thing that we are doing, Akshara?
We are saving lives. We are giving opportunities to a lot of filmmakers and venues and actors and us. And we are giving a lot of opportunities for animals. We are saving animal lives also. You will know how and when and why, who, what, everything eventually. And we are making great films. You will know that also soon.
Awesome.
And we're making dreams come true.
And we're making dreams come true.
Hey guys, we are at Cubbon Park and we are here to pick up our first guest for Signal Talks, and they're one of the most special guests.
Guys.
This is our guest for Signal Talks. Welcome.
Where are we?
First. Please come in, sir.
Hi, Poppins. Come.
Comes in at the right time because we have together kidnapped 3 pups from Great Garden
Huh.
and brought them to give them away to people today.
This is Poppins.
Yes.
Poppins. I love you, Poppins.
Guys, meet our guests. How do you turn the camera? Hi, who is this?
Yes.
This puppy is going home today.
Oh, she got adopted. He.
So Ankur and myself, we have kidnapped these puppies from Great Garden near the airport, and we're giving them away for free today. That's what's happening.
You are worth $1 million. There's nothing free about that. And this one's sleeping. Oh, look at her. Oh, stretch, baby, stretch. Nice. Nice. Hi.
That's green.
Hello.
Named after cheese.
Yeah, you can go in.
Don't think you're not inside. Yeah, come inside.
So calm, no? This one.
Well, welcome to Nasa and Alex's home, which has 7 dogs back at home in Meghalaya. And this is their first dog back in Bangalore and their house here in Kamanali. We're very excited about the fact that while Masa is not smiling as much as I would like her to, Alex has been jumping around saying, "Hey!" Bye-bye. Look after them nicely.
Hey guys, look what is here.
And we have our guests at the back. Meet Priya Chetty, Rajagopal, I'm so sorry. And Lily.
And Lily. Lily says hi. Lily has been an absolute breeze up to now, but right now decides she wants to assert herself. And then
Right.
Lily.
Perfect.
I am Lily.
And then we have Aditi, please squeeze in.
Hello.
And then we have
Uncle.
Ankur.
Hey.
They're all part of Cubbon Park Canines.
And CJ Memorial Trust. They do this amazing thing of puppy adoption every Sunday at the Cubbon Park Dog Park. So today we are having these wonderful guests, and we have a very special Priya, who is very close. I mean, she's like her and my story is written in this in a different dimension itself, and now we are fulfilling it here. So thank you so much for coming out to this show and the first ever Signal Talks puppy adoption, and we are going to try and do this every week so that you get the best puppies and everybody gets a very loving home, and we do some amazing things and save lives. Guys, see you in the next signal. are back at another signal, the same signal. We are not able to cross it, okay?
It's Bangalore, Nilesh. It's expected to cross signals. You're expected to be at signals.
That's why we started Signal,
Signal
Talks.
talks. So we have so much time to talk at signals.
Might as well utilize
Ye-
and look at that Vanshli sleeping. And yeah, now we want to get puppies adopted. Let's get Bangalore free of stray dogs. Let's give these wonderful angels a home. And look at that one. Look at that. Fish angel also. Look at her. She has the cutest overbite.
She does. And right now, she has decided to come into her own, despite the fact that she spent her entire premium time at the dog park for adoption, showing her butt and sleeping. That's all she did. She slept.
That's
She
what
slept.
sells.
Are you sure? Right
Have
now,
you-
she's showing that I'm alive.
Have
I
you
have
not
some
seen
energy.
item numbers? That's what sells. So she was trying to do the same thing.
I didn't know I wanted it. I'm doing all of that. Tattoo a dance. She could have done that in the dog park. No, got adopted.
And she's doing it in our podcast. So if anybody wants to adopt these angels, please contact Cubbon Park Canines.
And CJ Memorial Trust, and also you can hit us up on Signal Talks and we'll connect you to the right people. Be the best, turn this this being will turn your life into a experience like how you're supposed to live Earth. This is where you learn it with these puppies.
This is where you learn what unconditional love is.
It's so true. I'm so sorry. Am I okay?
No, you
Yeah.
Oh, I'm extremely.
This is signal. This signal is quite long.
Yeah, this thing is quite long.
I'm touching her leg and all that. I'm getting very nervous. I have to give her now some.
We have
Ayushmann
to.
over and-
I'm very eager to hear Priya aunties tell us the most important thing about puppy adoption. What is it that the viewer should understand while adopting this beautiful being? Because after they come, they should not return them. So what is that they need to understand? Because we are, telling them, we're giving these souls and telling them, hey, these beings have come here to light up your life. So what would you tell them with your experience?
Go with the flow first. And the second thing is, for God's sake, it's an investment for life. You are going to have a friend and a family for life. Let's make that work. And the third thing is to be able to say, like, nothing is perfect. You're going to if you get through the first 3-4 days, you're doing fine. The first few days you're saying, oh, fleas, oh, this, oh, the dog is peeing, this, that. It takes time. Like anything else does, it takes time. So you have to ride through the first week. And if you do that, you're okay. And the most important thing is, to feel.
You could actually go.
I think you can actually go. Signal or turn in which we'll go left.
No,
You
right.
have to go right.
You have to go right.
Yeah, but
How you can go? You can go.
Just go right like this. Just go off. See that fellow and follow him. Okay, Signal should talk more. Okay, these signals to tell us. Okay, you can go with it's red, it's not red, green, it's blue.
the cop told me I could go.
Yeah.
So fine, guys. If I get a challan, I'm gonna take 50 rupees from all of you.
and that cop there.
Yeah.
And what about this dog?
These
It's all our
puppies,
fault.
these should give. We are here for them. Auntie, you please tell us.
Take a left here.
Take a left here.
Sharp left here.
Okay.
No, I think
Oh, you missed the left?
Mr.
You
Left.
can still go. Go left. Go left. Go left. Go left here. Yeah.
here.
Holy
In
shit.
fact, hit the silver car that's come. Always a good way to do it. Mow through.
Okay. I'm scared.
Hey, thank you very much. This one's peeing on me.
Congratulations! You got blessed.
Blessed.
Completely. Brand new pair of trousers. And she's, by the way, she's peeing again on me. She said, oh, this is lovely.
Double dhamaka. Double dhamaka.
She just actually continued it. I'll kick you. Moron dog. You monkey. Continuing to do this.
Guys, so when you get a dog, they are bound to pee and poop just like you. Okay?
Yeah.
There is no difference between a human and a dog. Till now, I have not heard from you people. Okay? Some 10,000 people have asked and you people have not told. Auntie, can you tell me a proper difference between a human and a doggy?
Well, sometimes a male doggy does lift his leg.
Oh my
And
god.
they aim.
So sometimes it's kind of that. So maybe that. But you know what? They just can be trained as well as human beings are. You know where to go. You have got paper training, which is so easy to do. At the end of it, it's just a question of intent and will. And that transition of a week, I think the biggest thing is just that people have a lot of expectations when they're adopted. They think it's going to be beautiful and lovely and rosy, and anything is not. It's a small ocean, I'm telling you. I'm still getting it. He's still.
It's a warm trickle of that love that is going down.
You must be really demented to think so, but anyway, doesn't matter. But the first week, if you're able to get through the first week,
Yeah.
you are doing fine. Do not expect too much in the first week, saying, "Oh my God, this is going to be so lovely. They're going to be all going to be, we're going to be sparkles and roses, and we're all going to have fairies all around us, and we're going to have." It's not. There's hard stuff, and it's hard to get used to. Once you get through that, it's because they're bonded for life. But people give up a little too soon. Now, I have to tell you where to go. You have to go straight. Not yet, because there's a red light. You might want to.
A
We're stuck at a signal.
So then, you just drop me off somewhere on course.
Do you see the gate on the left? You gotta go inside that.
If you were to tell one proper message to the future, the children of the future, because they would understand what they, they are the future, obviously. What would you say to them?
Go with your heart. Do the right thing. And remember, these are our dogs. And if we don't take them in, and we want to go abroad to pick up our little far deodorant and St. Bernard, something's really wrong. So let's just do it. Let's be indie proud.
Yeah.
It's such an easy thing to do.
Yeah.
That's all. I would just say, just go with your gut. Be an Indian. Be patriotic. Fall in love with the color of your own country and the color of your own country's dogs. And go with that. That's what I would say.
We're all brown. Proud to be brown.
You're also
Yes.
indie
Indie proud.
Be proud.
proud. I'm gonna get a million.
I'm also
indies
indie
home.
Pete. Indie Pete.
Indie Pede and indie proud.
It's the desi way.
It's the
of life.
desi wave,
Things
dude.
that we do to get all of the million.
And you continued. No, you didn't stop. And now you feel very proud of yourself. It's like, chalo, all week. I think I've got a little bit more left. Every time she decided to say, I could feel a warm on my thigh. That bloody hell. A monkey dog. A monkey dog.
So, guys, we have to get them adopted. What are your temporary names right now?
The one on your lap is Brie.
Brie. This is named Brie,
Yeah.
and
She's in the whole world.
look at that. The cigarette cheese,
She's like, excuse me, give me also attention. This one is Lily.
and that is Lily.
The indie Pede is Lily.
The indie Pede is Lily,
I'm looking very happy with herself.
and the one which is giving a smile.
Again, she's doing it, the rascal. Again, she's doing it. In that little body, how much liquid can there be, man? Please, Lily.
Okay, guys, this is an issue over here.
Yeah.
This crossing.
Really?
Where are we? What is the signal?
On Chalukya Circle.
Chalukya
Chalukya
Circle.
Circle.
Problem. We have to.
Fix the Chalukya circles thing.
Got 7 roads that reach here.
You ready? Just keep going like this straight.
Oh,
I risk my life every day crossing this road.
there you go, guys.
Now go like this.
A person who's saving so many dogs is risking
ready.
her life to cross the signal every day.
Now slowly go left.
Either then through.
Guys, I have a signal on this. Don't come.
Yeah, this is great. Thank you so much. Now I have to go and change my trousers. Thank you very much.
Priyati,
Thank you
you
for
all.
joining us.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, I know why I didn't have so much.
Oh,
Because my bag has
I-
taken most of it.
No, I've also taken a lot of it.
Can you see this?
Oh
Can
my
you see this?
Wow. And in my car.
I am really sorry about that. Bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you.
Having to sit on my lap. I don't want to be put on because I have places to go after this. I
The-
can't go at home and change.
Tank kali hai.
Thank you.
I don't believe her tank because for the last 15 minutes it's been coming in installments.
Hey guys, we are at another signal. We are with Aditi and Ankur, and we are here with two lovely little puppies. Aditi, tell us about the puppies.
Yes, so this is part of one litter. Unfortunately, her siblings didn't make it. She's the only surviving puppy of her litter. The one on Nehesh's lap as well is one of 6 siblings. Well, initially we heard 7 siblings. Her mom is also very, very notorious for having pups and very, very notorious for having female pups. Because of their entire litter, only one was male.
उसको लड़का एक चाहिए था, तो लड़का एक डाल दिया, बस फैमिली का नाम
रोशन करना है,
रोशन करना है, लड़का ही चाहिए.
लड़का ही चाहिए.
Can I do dark humor here?
Yes, yes.
We talk so much about snip to animals, control population. Have you seen the population in our country? Have you seen the human population in the world?
Akshara, you already found the solution to the FCF anyways, and it was going to solve human population. So, would you like to say it?
It's called a gun, but it's also
Akshara also calls it abortion.
No, you guys clinically call it good. Yeah, it was your idea. We are just okay. We see you in the next signal.
We're just executing.
My goodness, guys. And we're at that aeroplane signal.
Plain signal. So, guys, just tell me, what is this? What are these people in this colony who are anti-dog, anti-animal? Are you anti-breathing? Why are you anti-everything?
Yeah.
I mean, I understand, okay, if dogs bite, you're scared of that. Fine, but so do mosquitoes.
Yeah. This coexistence part of your brain is what working? What is this? You didn't learn how to coexist? Crazy thing, Aditi, you know, almost every species on the planet coexists with each other. Except this bipedal human pudgy little thing flesh suit made of 5 elements apparently. Mostly ugly bag of mostly water they call it.
I just have this message for all the humans who don't like animals, who are like against people feeding animals, or against anything, who are against compassion towards animals. I hope that someday I give you my blessing, that someday in your life you are blessed with the love of an animal. And that day is the day you guys realize what you're missing. And that day is your regret. That's your suffering.
Yeah.
Suffering.
God bless you, Akshara, for saying that, and God bless the being who receives this love. Proper question to you guys: does the world or the earth belong to only humans?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Guys, we are in cooperation circle with these two lovely pups, Aditi and Ankur in the car. Now, I asked the question in the previous signal: does this earth belong only to humans? Guys,
No.
yes or no, man? Come on.
No, obviously not.
No?
No.
Aditi? No? Akshara?
Because they did, I don't know. Actually, I don't know.
Yes or no?
No.
This earth.
Belongs to everybody.
We are a very-
So when that uncle or auntie comes and tells you, hey, that dog should not pee here or poop here or eat here, or you can't feed it, or it shouldn't be here, or it is bad, what do you tell such a being?
Don't tell anything.
I just started doing
I
this
just
now.
need an-
That's the language they understand, because clearly you can't educate them. Just
Do you think the current generation has the capacity to understand? Yes or no?
Yes. The current generation, I'm
Ankur, you yes?
old guys.
I depends. So I believe
Yes
that,
or no? Depends. Yes or no?
Yes, like better than last generation.
Better than last generation?
Dog me.
what is this guy doing here on the
Fucking
road?
hog can go this way. What a retard bloody. No, it's looking somewhere else.
I love how there's a whole
You,
Go, Lindu. Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, hello.
Come on.
yeah, got it. Got it.
God. But,
I have been told.
oh. So,
Up for adoption, people. This is a doggy. This Indie peed. This Indie already peed. So nice. I can keep her on top of me.
Good luck, Aditi. That one's not me yet.
Akshara, why?
Your dress is very pretty.
It needs to be blessed, Aditi. Such a pretty dress. Yeah. One more question I have, guys. I have one more question. Where do humans shit and pee? Just give me one quick question. Quick answer.
Rail patri.
Rail patri. Aditi. Where do humans shit, Aditi? Quickly. Ankur.
Wherever
Wherever we
we are allowed to.
are allowed.
Wherever we are not allowed to.
See, okay, fair.
Ankur.
I will tell you. For men, the entire world can.
It's a canvas and it's a shit show.
Mostly in the bathroom, but a lot of them also outside.
Behind the bush.
Behind with their lotas and in the farm.
We're a developing country.
Yeah.
So honestly, wherever they can, will
Yeah.
and can't, they take it.
Hey, we are at another signal. Now I have got one more very clear question. If the humans and dogs have a difference from mouth to bum, what is the difference, Aditi? Difference between humans and dogs. Mouth,
Question to ask a doctor.
doctor, yeah. That's why I want to know. Tell Aditi.
Food goes the same way, yeah.
Vertical, horizontal.
Vertical or horizontal?
That is the difference.
Vertical and horizontal eating.
Yeah. No, they are vertical, right?
Some people sleep and eat. No, haven't you watched them in movie theaters?
They are not. They
For potating on in front of movies when they are watching the TV.
They have health issues.
What I want to tell you, humans, is you are no different between the dog and that only mouth to your thing, one tube you are. Hey, just for a second for this, everyone's thing. Okay, dogs have one tail, not two tails. Okay? Guys, one tail.
Yes, yes.
No, I.
We know. We meant something else.
Guys, we are back at Cubbon Park. We are now dropping off our lovely guests, Lily and Bree, and we are saying thank you to them for coming into this world and going to light up your lives. Please adopt them. They're very good puppies. Contact us on all our social media handles and have a fun and amazing week ahead. Bye, guys.
See you guys.
See you guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.